You finish, but something feels off. There's barely any semen, and suddenly, you're asking yourself, is this normal? Am I broken? Could I be infertile? The truth is, thousands of men are secretly struggling with low semen volume, and most don't even know it has a name: hypospermia. But today, I'm going to show you exactly what it means, what's causing it, and how to fix it naturally. You've noticed something strange. You finish, but there's barely anything there. You start Googling terms like low semen volume or why is my load so small? And suddenly, you're anxious. Is something wrong with me? Is it serious? Am I infertile? If you're here, you're not alone. Every single month, thousands of men in the US search the same question. Why is my semen volume low? In medical terms, it's called hypospermia. And in today's video, we're diving deep into what causes it, what it really means for your health, and most importantly, how to fix it naturally. What is hypospermia? Hypospermia is when your semen volume is less than 1.5 to 2 milliliters per ejaculation, according to most urology standards. To put it simply, it's like shooting blanks, or at least not shooting enough. This isn't just about ego or performance. It could also signal deeper health issues related to fertility, hormones, or even prostate health. What causes it? Let's break down the most common reasons behind low semen volume. 1. Dehydration. Your semen is mostly water. If you're not hydrated, your volume drops. 2. Frequent ejaculation. Too much too often, your body hasn't had time to refill the tanks. 3. Hormonal imbalance. Low testosterone equals lower semen production. 4. Varicocele or blockage. Swollen veins or blockages in the reproductive tract reduce output. 5. Stress and lack of sleep. Chronic stress suppresses hormones, kills libido, and shrinks semen volume. 6. Medications and drugs. Antidepressants, steroids, and even hair loss meds like finasteride can mess with your semen levels. 7. Diet deficiency. Low in zinc, vitamin C, or essential fats. Your reproductive system suffers. Natural ways to boost semen volume. Now let's talk solutions, and yes, you can make a real difference naturally. White heavy checkmark 1. Stay hydrated. Drink at least 2.5 to 3 liters a day. No soda, just clean water. White heavy checkmark 2. Boost zinc and selenium. Pumpkin seeds, oysters, Brazil nuts, eggs. These are your allies. White heavy checkmark 3. Add L-carnitine and CoQ10. Supplements shown to improve sperm motility and volume. Talk to your doctor first. White heavy checkmark 4. Exercise smart. Weightlifting and hit improved testosterone. But don't overtrain. Stress ruins gains. White heavy checkmark 5. Sleep 7 to 9 hours. Testosterone is produced during deep sleep. No compromise here. White heavy checkmark 6. Limit alcohol. Quit smoking. Both directly reduce semen production and increase DNA fragmentation in sperm. White heavy checkmark 7. Ashwagandha plus maca root, backed by clinical studies for improving sperm count and libido. What doctors might check? If changes don't work after 4 to 6 weeks, visit a urologist. They'll likely run a semen analysis, check hormone levels, and possibly order an ultrasound to rule out blockages or varicoceles. Don't panic, just act. Here's the truth. Low semen volume isn't a life sentence, but it's your body's way of telling you something's off. It could be lifestyle. It could be stress. It could be diet. Whatever it is, the power is in your hands to change it. This channel, Man Vitals, is here to bring you the science-backed, stigma-free health info every man needs. If this helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. Drop your questions in the comments. I read every one.